How to use Microsoft List with Power Automate. So you got to keep in mind that the integration works best with Microsoft 365 work or school accounts since Power Automate has limited support for the personal accounts. And then once you have that in mind, this is technically pretty easy since both are already part of Microsoft 365. So they're already technically integrated by default. So this means you can create automations directly from your list without needing any external tools. So you could go ahead and create yourself a new list like so, name it whatever you like. And if your account is the proper account, you will be able to see an automate option. And then choosing Power Automate, you could create a flow and then choose a trigger like when an item is created or when it is modified. After that, you could select your site and list name, then add an action like sending an email or posting to Teams or whichever thing you're trying to do. So again, it all pretty much depends if your account is eligible. So try not using a personal Microsoft account or a version of List that doesn't support integration. So Power Automate only fully works with Microsoft 365 Work or school accounts. So make sure you're logged in with a business or school account or try opening the list from SharePoint like the site list instead of a standalone list app since Automate usually shows there. But that is pretty much the general idea on how this works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.